What's going on, guys? We're going to talk about Gamestop's price action and current price. So 2 days ago, a lot of people very excited. Fantastic run up. We actually were hugging the 10-day moving average here ever since breaking out on the 25th of May. And then we came back tested here on the 7th of June and absolutely exploded. I hope you guys all took your money. If you guys do follow me, you guys kind of understand that the way that I trade, I use a lot of moving averages. These are all supply and demand zones. I like to have them on my chart so I kind of understand where potentially stocks are going to stop and where potentially I can buy them if they're going the other way. With that being said, if you were kind of following along with my strategy here, this 200-day moving average here is a very big level, especially on a daily time frame. This is like if we've got, soldiers and you've got the prince and the king. This is the king. This is the granddaddy of them all. The 200-day moving average. Under the 200-day moving average, be prepared for a rejection. A reclaim of the 200-day moving average. Be prepared for a nice run up. So with that being said, we did top tick that, kind of ran into this upper channel here, came all the way back down yesterday. Now I made a video yesterday talking about some of these levels, potentially where we would need to get. We would need to get over that 150 something area, 153 and a half, 151, get over that, really start to build above that to see any kind of upwards momentum. Now, being that this is a daily time frame, being that the market is very volatile and does not know what it wants to do, we need to kind of respect the daily levels. When a stock loses its previous day's low, like it did today, or it reclaims its previous day's high, that's where your opportunities come in. So if we kind of look at where previous day low was sitting, it was sitting at the 5-day moving average. So we closed over the 5-day moving average, still had a little bit of life. I don't like this inverse, kind of hammer candle that set up here yesterday. But yesterday's low price of 136, once that confirmed, it's been an absolute flush down to the 50-day moving average. So if we think about the 200-day moving average as the king, let's think about the 50-day moving average as the prince. And then let's think about the 20-day moving average kind of as that second man in control. Okay, so we came down here and we tagged the 50-day moving average, got a nice bounce off of it just for about a point or two. But the point I'm trying to make here is that if you were sitting here waiting for a short position, this was a clear as day short position through 136. Your measured potential would have been a 10-day moving average at 132. That's a $4 move you would have gotten on this trade. Now we are down $8.06 on the day, currently testing this 50-day moving average. I'm going to give some levels for tomorrow. If we do, or depending on the time you watch this video between today, which is the 9th, or tomorrow, if we start to lose the 50-day moving average, we've got room down. Okay, 50-day moving average is sitting at around 128, actually 130.10. Anything below 130.10 definitely has room to the 20. So remember what I said about the 20-day moving average. That price point and measured potential would be 123. I can see it pulling back here. Okay, again, not saying it's going to happen. The 50 could hold. This is a very strong level. But when and if we do lose this is a short position, and I can see it kind of holding here between 120 and 123 and then bouncing, and everything would still be intact. No momentum would be changed. It would still be in bullish context. This really doesn't start to change trend from the uptrend to a downtrend until we are, for the short term, again, obviously in the long term, this is definitely a downtrend. But in the short term trend, it doesn't change until we lose 120 on a daily close. Once we lose 120 on a daily close, you got a lot of room down, 114, 107, and obviously anything under 107, forget about it. But with that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, join my Discord if you guys are interested in learning how to day trade each and every single day. Hit me up in Discord, shoot me a message, check my description box down below. I got all my information down there. I'll see you guys all later.